Hello friend, welcome to Rajni 007 Math tutorial. Today I am going to discuss some problem based on divisibility rules. Divisibility rules से related कुछ question है जो मैं आपसे discuss करने वाली हूँ. On my previous video you can see the divisibility rule for number 2 to 10 and according to that rule only this problem is going to be solved. So let's see the first question. First question is what is the least value of k so that this number is divisible by 9. तो इसमें आप देख सकते हैं नंबर है 6735k1. तो हमें k का वैल्यू ऐसा निकालना है जो भी नंबर हो वो 9 से डिविजिबल हो. फॉर डैट व्हाट वी हैव विल डू, 9 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल क्या है? इफ़ द सम ऑफ डिजिट इज डिविजिबल बाय 9 then the number is divisible by 9 also. So let's see. What is the number? We have to find the k. It means if the sum of this digit is equal to, because whatever the sum of digit will come, if it is divisible by 9 then the number is divisible by 9. So if we do the sum of digit of this number, it's coming 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 5 plus k plus 1. And if you add this, it will come 22 plus k, right? It will come 22 plus k. Now what will be the least number? What will be the least number greater than 22 so that it can be divisible by 9? If we 22 plus 1, 23, no, it's not divisible by 9. 22 plus 2, 24, it is also not divisible by 9. 22 plus 3, 25, that is also not divisible by 9. 22 plus 4 is coming 26, that is also not divisible by 9. If we take 22 plus 5, it's coming 22 plus 5, 27, that is divisible by 9. So the least number greater than 22 and divisible by 9 is 27, right? It is 27, and how many number we have had? 5. 22 plus 5 will come 20. So the value of k will be 5. In this way, if you know the divisibility rule of the number, you can solve this kind of question. Can we move to second question? Second question is for what value of k the number is divisible by 8. यहाँ भी आप नंबर देख सकते हैं 7 2 3 6 k2 है. तो we have to find the k so that it is divisible by 8. तो what is the divisibility rule for 8? Divisibility rules हमने पढ़े होंगे. If you want, you can check my previous video to find the divisibility rule of 2 to 10. तो divisibility rule of 8 यही है कि if last three digit is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. So what is the last three digits? 7 2 3 6 k2. This is our number, and the last three digit is 6 k2. So we have to concentrate on 6 k2. Now what number we will put here, k, so that it will be divisible by 8. So if you take the number is coming 612. 612 is not divisible by 8. After that 622, no. 63, yes, 632 is divisible by 8. So first number we got 3. After that till from 1 to 9 you have to check it out. 4, it is not divisible. 5, 652, not divisible. 662, that is also not divisible. 672, yes, it is divisible. 8 8 is 64, it will come 84 it will come. The 637 is also, if we put 7 in place of k, it is divisible by 8. For 8 also 682, it's not divisible. If we put 9 also, it is not divisible. It means only two number 3 or 7 we are going to put it here. It is divisible by 8. तो 7 2 3 6 3 2 अगर हमारा आंसर क्या हो सकता है 6 3 2 और 7 2 3 6 7 2। तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चन को इस तरह से सॉल्व करते हैं जो भी प्लेस है जो भी डिविजिबिलिटी रूल है यू हैव टू सी दैट व्हाट इज द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल फॉर दैट नंबर अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू हैव टू सॉल्व दैट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन। तो इसका आंसर 2 हो सकता है क्योंकि आइदर 3 ये भी कैन पुट 3 रख सकते हैं और 7 भी कैन पुट इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 8। तो फॉर दिस आंसर इज दिस। लेट्स मूव टू थर्ड क्वेश्चन। For what value of k the number is divisible by 5? Here the divisible by 5 number is 2, 3, 5, 7 k. So it is very simple. What is the divisibility rule for 5? Divisibility rule for 5, if the number end with 0 or 5, that number is divisible by 5, right? That number is divisible. It means what? It means that k will be either 0 or 5. Because if the number end with 0 or 5 only, then it's divisible by 5. तो इसका मतलब यही है कि 2 3 5 7 0 आंसर हो सकता है और नहीं तो 2 3 5 7 5 आंसर हो सकता है। Either we put 0 or 5, then it will be divisible by 5। तो फ्रेंड्स ये कुछ क्वेश्चन थे रिलेटेड टू डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स। होप कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा और इसी तरह से आप डिविजिबिलिटी रूल के कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन हो जस्ट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल एंड यू कैन सॉल्व दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन। तो अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।